What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is SU-101193-5, update the latest system software. So it's a system software error, something your system software is not up to date, you are using the older version and some application is not supported, that's why you get this error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. So simply what to do, you just go to the settings and here we go to the system and system software update. You just check it. If not updated, you simply just update from here and you can check it, the install properly automatically, and you can see here your system software update new features. And you must check the storage first if you don't have enough storage. So you must make a space in your storage and then try to download it. And look at that, here you check the update files here. And what to do, in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and you go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database or reinstall system software clear cache. So you can rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted, and when you come back, you can update your system software and you have a space in your storage. If don't have, you must make a space first and then try to update. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See ya.